Welcome to AccuSourceHR's integration with UKG Pro. We'll show you how to order and track background checks without ever leaving your hiring workflow. Too many steps? Not enough visibility? Sound familiar? There's a better way. AccuSourceHR puts background screening right inside UKG Pro. Let's take a look. Once you're in, navigate to Administration. Then scroll down and select Recruiting Gateway. From the recruiting dashboard, we'll explore all open opportunities and find the candidate to screen. Navigate to Opportunities and select All. In the Opportunities view, you can see all positions along with their applicant count. To view the full list of candidates and start the screening process, click the number in the Applicant column. Next, we'll select a candidate to kick off the screening process. By clicking on the 3 horizontal ellipses to open the Actions menu, and select the Request Background Check. Select your company entity from the drop-down menu. The integration supports both single entities and parent-child account structures, which are configured during implementation. Next, select your pre-configured screening package. Options are tailored to your company entity, making it easy to choose the right level of screening. Confirm FCRA compliance by checking the box to verify proper disclosures and authorization are in place. Then click Submit. The order is sent directly to AccuSourceHR and begins processing in real time. Success! The green confirmation screen confirms that the background check has been ordered. Results will flow back automatically. The candidate's record reflects that a background check is currently in progress. Select the applicant's name to access more detailed order information. Navigate to the Background Checks tab. This section provides the details for the specific applicant, and the status indicates that the candidate's completion is still pending. Results sync automatically, so HR professionals never need to chase updates or log into multiple systems. Next, we'll review a completed background check by clicking on an applicant's name with a completed profile. Navigate to the Background Checks tab to view the completed report. Click View Report to review the completed background check. You will be redirected to AccuSourceHR's secure, proprietary SourceDirect platform to review the applicant's completed report. To proceed, enter your SourceDirect login credentials. In SourceDirect, you can view the background check findings. You can drill into individual orders to see each check, its status, and the overall result. To view the completed report in its entirety, click the Download Report button. Here is the completed report in its entirety.
What used to be fragmented is now fully connected. Everything you need, all in one place. With AccuSourceHR inside UKG Pro, background screening becomes seamless from start to finish. Less work, more visibility, better hiring decisions. It's time to simplify your process. Contact our screening experts to learn more or schedule a personalized demo. Recruiting talent is hard. At AccuSourceHR, we make it easier.